Now here's two whole chickens that we raised ourselves on the property here and had slaughtered. Parted them out and cut them up, and then put them in the Carey pressure cooker canner for 15 minutes on pressure, the pressure cooker setting. Threw in some rosemary and some basil out of the aquaponics system, so it's fresh. And then once they were done in there, I think they ended up hitting like 180, so they're more than done cooking. Brought them out here to get on the grill to get a good little char, and put on some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And here, and then got them smoking with, what is that? Some mesquite wood chips. Little smoker box there, and I've also been throwing it in there. I'm about to pull these off the heat, put them over here with this one, and then put some directly on there to get some really good smoked flavor, hopefully on the outside. So, got some pictures that will follow this little bit here. Just show some different steps of the process. But whew, it smells amazing. They look delicious, so can't wait to try them out. Also, the parted out, I used the little shears, kitchen shears, to cut them up, cut the backbones out. Here's the backbones there. I cut them out. I put these in the pressure cooker with them, just figured they might get some added flavor coming out of them. So, yeah, cut that out and cut the bottom in half, and cut the wings and the thighs and legs off, and cut the breast separate. So, alright, we're gonna flip these over now, and like I said, throw some more wood chips in there, cover it up for about 5 minutes or so, and take them in and let them cool down.